Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Metamask to bank account. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to transfer from your Metamask account directly to your bank account, well, you won't be able to do this directly. So you need to transfer or use a different exchange. Now, obviously, you can use whatever exchange you want, but as an example, I'm going to use Binance. So in this case, you want to open up the Metamask app here, and you want to go and just scroll down a bit here and look for the token that you may want to make the transfer for. Let's go and choose Ethereum. Now, next page here, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here. Look for the send option. Now, in the send section here, you need to fill out some details, like, for example, who you want to send to. So in the to section, you need to enter the address. Now, and also you need to specify how much you are going to send, and also the gas fees here. Now, how do you exactly find your actual address on your Binance account? Now, this one's quite easy. So in this case, you want to go ahead over to the Binance app here. So if you already have an account. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and choose the Add Funds button. Now here, you want to go and choose the on-chain deposit. And in here, you want to go and look for the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So you want to go and choose ETH here. Now in here, you want to go and choose your network. So in this case, you want to make sure that whatever network you're going to choose in here is the same network that you've chosen on your MetaMask wallet. Now this depends totally on you. So in this case, I'm going to choose ETH here or ERC20. Now from here, you want to go and choose, or you want to go and just copy the deposit address here, or you can even take a screenshot here if you want to use a QR code. But in this case, once you've copied the address here, you can go ahead over back into the MetaMask app and just basically paste your paste the address that you copied and just proceed with transfer. Now usually it would take around like a few hours for the transfer to complete, but once it's actually transferred into your account or your Binance account, you are now ready to make the transfer to your bank account. Now, to make the actual transfer to your bank account, what you need to do is you want to head over back into your homepage here. You want to go and choose the P2P order section. Now, go and just choose or click on P2P. Now, on the next page here, you want to go and switch over to sell. And in sell, you want to go ahead and choose your cryptocurrency. So click on the drop down button here and go and just choose whichever cryptocurrency that you want to maybe like transfer or convert into a, let's just say, to your bank account. Now also you can go and just change this to the payment section and basically choose whichever like crypto currency or whichever bank account that you may want to basically transfer to. So there are going to be a lot of options here. So in this case, once you've done that, you can go and click on the sell button at the bottom right, and from then on it will give you the option to basically make the transfer. So in this case, you need to indicate how much you want to go ahead and just make the transfer, and also it'll give you or redirect you to another page, which in this case you'll have the option to chat with the actual merchant, and from then on they will give you instructions on how to make the transfer or how the transfer is going to be, like you providing like your account name, and also your account number that they need to make the actual transfer. But in this case, just follow the on-screen steps that they'll be providing, and you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.